I have always had a lot of hair, and hair's always kind of been my thing. But over the years, especially with menopause, I've noticed some changes in my hair with thinning, especially in the front and the top. So I would say about 10 years ago, I came to Jernigan's and I did the PRP and also hair replacement in certain areas. And I really felt like it helped. After a few months, I really started noticing changes, more fullness for sure. I'm back to try the exosomes. I'm super excited about that. I've heard great things and just really excited to get started.